Pa. Hey, Pa, lawn's getting wicked lawn down here. Needs to be mowed up a bit. You gonna do it? What's that, you busy? You having some baked beans and taters, are ya? I'm gonna teach you young'uns how to use a lawnmower. That way, you can mow your neighbor's lawn, you can mow your other neighbor's lawn, you can make some money so you can go down to Dairy Queen anytime you want. It's wicked easy, and you're really smart. Let me show you. Okay, listen up here. First things first. First, you want to make sure you got some gasoline in your tank. So you got to check. Open that right up. Have a look in there. If it looks wet, you're good. If it looks dry, you got to put some gasoline in there. Same kind you put in your car. I'm going to top it off here. There, we're good now. Next step, you want to make sure that you got some oil in there. You're going to need a paper towel. You want to wipe up that dipstick till it's dry. Stick it right in there. Make sure you got some oil. I got some oil. So I'm good to go. Now you listen up. This is the most important thing that I'm going to tell you. Don't put your fingers anywhere near the blades. Got that? We want to make sure that you got 10 of these when you're done mowing the lawn. And the other thing that it's wicked important that you remember is that you wear closed-toed shoes. Don't you be wearing any sandals or doing this barefoot. You'll lose your pinky toes. You want to make sure that you protect your eyes. That means wearing a pair of sunglasses or safety goggles. Next step, you want to pull down here and then pull on this. Might not start the first time, but if it doesn't start the first time, you give it another go. Now you know how to use a lawnmower. You can mow your own lawn. And you just earned yourself a Super Skills pin. You let me know and I'll make sure you get one.